Changing the wattage of a metal halide lamp requires replacing both the ballast and the lamp. The ballast provides the necessary voltage and current to operate the metal halide lamp, and using a 35-watt lamp with a 70-watt ballast can result in improper operation and premature lamp failure. The lamp itself generates the light. Replacing the 70-watt lamp with a 35-watt lamp will reduce the light output as desired. To properly replace the fixtures, follow these steps. Firstly, turn off the power to the fixtures. This is a crucial safety step to prevent electrical shock. Locate the circuit breaker that controls the power to the outdoor fixtures and switch it to the off position. It's also a good practice to test the circuit with a voltage tester to ensure that the power is indeed off before proceeding. Secondly, remove the old bulbs. Once the power is off, you can safely remove the existing 70-watt metal halide bulbs from the fixtures. Depending on the type of fixture, this may involve unscrewing the bulb or releasing a retaining mechanism. Handle the old bulbs with care, as they may be hot if they were recently in operation. Dispose of the old bulbs properly, following local regulations for disposal of metal halide lamps. Thirdly, replace the ballasts with ballasts designed for 35-watt metal halide lamps. The ballast is an essential component of the metal halide lighting system, as it regulates the voltage and current supplied to the lamp. Since you are reducing the wattage of the lamp, you must also replace the existing 70-watt ballasts with ballasts that are specifically designed for 35-watt metal halide lamps. Make sure to select ballasts that are compatible with the voltage and frequency of your electrical system. Disconnect the old ballasts from the wiring, carefully noting the wiring connections. Connect the new 35-watt ballasts to the wiring, following the wiring diagram provided with the new ballasts. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly insulated. Fourthly, install the new 35-watt metal halide bulbs. Once the new ballasts are installed, you can install the new 35-watt metal halide bulbs into the fixtures. Make sure to handle the bulbs carefully, avoiding touching the glass with your bare hands. If you do touch the glass, clean it with a clean cloth before installing the bulb. Screw or secure the bulbs into the fixtures, ensuring that they are properly seated. Fifthly, turn on the power and check the light output. After installing the new ballasts and bulbs, you can turn the power back onto the fixtures by switching the circuit breaker back to the on position. Observe the light output of the fixtures to ensure that the new 35-watt lamps are operating correctly and providing the desired level of illumination. If the light output is satisfactory, the replacement process is complete. If there are any issues, such as flickering or dim light, double-check the wiring connections and ballast compatibility. Metal halide lamps require specific ballast types to operate correctly. Using the wrong ballast can lead to various problems. Firstly, improper starting. The lamp may fail to start or take a very long time to ignite. This is because the ballast is not providing the correct voltage and current to initiate the arc within the lamp. Secondly, reduced lamp life. Operating a metal halide lamp with an incompatible ballast can significantly shorten its lifespan. The lamp may burn out prematurely due to being over or underdriven. Thirdly, poor light quality. The light output may be inconsistent, with variations in brightness and color temperature. This is because the ballast is not regulating the power to the lamp properly. Fourthly, safety hazards. In extreme cases, using an incorrect ballast can create safety hazards such as overheating or even fire. The ballast may not be able to handle the load of the lamp, leading to component failure and potential risk of electrical shock. Understanding ballast types is essential for ensuring proper metal halide lamp operation. Constant wattage autotransformer ballasts, or CWA ballasts, are a common type used for metal halide lamps. CWA ballasts provide relatively stable lamp power and are suitable for a wide range of applications. They offer good regulation of lamp power despite variations in line voltage. Electronic ballasts are another option, offering improved energy efficiency and performance compared to traditional magnetic ballasts. Electronic ballasts provide precise control over the lamp's voltage and current, resulting in consistent light output and longer lamp life. Pull start ballasts are designed for use with pull start metal halide lamps, which offer faster startup times and improved energy efficiency compared to standard metal halide lamps. Pull start ballasts use a high voltage pulse to ignite the lamp, reducing startup time and improving overall performance. Knowing the wattage and voltage requirements of your metal halide lamps is critical for selecting the correct ballast. The ballast must be rated for the same wattage as the lamp to ensure proper operation and prevent damage. The ballast must also be compatible with the voltage of your electrical system. Common voltages for metal halide lighting systems include 120 volts, 208 volts, 240 volts, 277 volts, and 480 volts. Always refer to the manufacturer's specifications for both the lamp and the ballast to ensure compatibility. The wiring of the ballast is an important aspect of the installation process. Follow the wiring diagram provided with the ballast to ensure that the connections are made correctly. Incorrect wiring can lead to malfunction or even damage to the ballast and lamp. Use appropriately sized wires for the ballast connections following local electrical codes and regulations. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly insulated to prevent electrical hazards. Metal halide lamps produce a significant amount of heat during operation, so it's essential to provide adequate ventilation around the fixtures to prevent overheating. Overheating can reduce the lifespan of the lamp and ballast, as well as create a fire hazard. Ensure that the fixtures are installed in a location where there is sufficient airflow to dissipate heat. Avoid installing fixtures in enclosed spaces or near flammable materials. Regularly inspect the fixtures and ballasts for signs of damage or wear. Check for cracked or broken glass, loose connections, or signs of overheating. Replace any damaged components promptly to prevent further issues. Keep the fixtures clean to ensure optimal light output and prevent the accumulation of dust and debris, which can reduce the efficiency of the lighting system. Metal halide lamps contain mercury, so it's important to dispose of them properly to prevent environmental contamination. Many municipalities offer recycling programs for fluorescent and metal halide lamps. Contact your local waste management authority for information on how to properly dispose of these lamps. Never dispose of metal halide lamps in the regular trash. Electrical safety is paramount when working with metal halide lighting systems. Always disconnect the power to the fixtures before performing any maintenance or repairs. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses, to prevent electrical shock and other hazards. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it's best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation or repairs. Metal halide lighting systems can be complex, and it's important to have the knowledge and skills to work with them safely. Understanding the specific requirements of your metal halide lighting system is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Take the time to learn about the different types of lamps and ballasts, as well as the proper installation and maintenance procedures. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your metal halide lighting system provides reliable and efficient illumination for years to come.